Good morning, everyone. I am Pooja TK, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of CSE A&ML at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. Welcome to the Data Analytics with Excel Lab subject code BCS358A. First, introduction to the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft. It is a part of the Microsoft Office and is widely used for data entry, data analysis, mathematical calculation, creating charts and graphs, organizing information, automatic tasks using formulas and macros. These are the key features of Excel: worksheet and workbook, cells, formulas and function, charts and graphs. Common uses of Excel: budgeting and financial planning, inventory management, project tracking, and survey data analysis. The first program is creating First program is getting started with Excel: creation of spreadsheet, insertion of rows and columns, drag and fill, use aggregate function. So first, this is the spreadsheet. Creation of spreadsheet. First step is creation of spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a configuration of rows and columns. Commonly, rows are named with 1, 2, 3 and columns are named with ABC. The spreadsheet is also known as worksheet. It is used to record, calculate, and compare numerical or financial data. Spreadsheet application is a computer program that allows us to add and process data. We shall understand spreadsheet with the help of MS Excel, which is one of the Microsoft Office of software. Okay, now first step, open the my MS Excel. Then go to menu, select new, go to menu, select new, blank workbook to create a simple worksheet. So this is here. This first L is active cell, commonly rows or number, columns or ABC, columns or letter, name box. So this one is sheet tab. So plus X for click this tab to insert a more worksheet. Okay, this one is sheet tabs. Okay, First in this we have insertion of rows. The first data entry is name, subject, sub1, subject 2, next sub 3 and total. This is we are creating the data. Okay, these are the students. So we are giving the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 marks. So 35 marks, below 35 fail. Instead of subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, you can give a subject name, Maths, Kannada, English or something else. Okay. First, insertion of columns. Select any cell within the column and then go to home, insert select column. Alternatively, right click on top of the column and then select insertion. Then we have the data name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. We have to insert the column subject 4. So right click the top of the column, right click top of the column, we right click top of the column. In this top of message, we display some information. Cut, copy, paste option, insert, delete, clear, format cell, column, hide and unhide. In this we have insert. We have take option insert. Here we will insert another one column. Name it as sub 4. Okay, na? This is the insertion of the column. Then give marks to this subject. Okay, then insertion of rows. Then insertion of rows. Select any cell within the row. Then go to O, insert or insert sheet row. Okay. Alternatively, right click on top of the row and then select insert. Okay. Same as we done in the column. Same as we have to do in the row. So right click. We will go to insert. So the row is inserted. So give the name. So give marks to the all the subject. This is how we insert the column and rows. Okay, next. Next, drag and fill. We want to enter the data in first insertion of column, drag and fill. We will take another column name as SL number. So we want to enter the data in cell 1, cell 2 to cell 6. Start value from 10 and in step of 10 we will get 1 to 20 100 by using the drop option. So we have to same information. Enter the data in the cell 2, cell number 2 to cell number 6. So we have to enter the data 1, 2, 3 in cell number 2 to cell number 6. So select the cell and then contain the data we want to fill A1 to A2 into adjacent cell. Drag the fill and underlay across the cell that we want to fill. To choose how we want to fill the selection, click autofill option and then click the option we want. So here we are giving the data. So select this both row column and drag. So here the drag and fill option is completed. Next, use of aggregate function. So aggregate function in Excel apply different aggregate functions like average, sum, product, count, max or min or at least of data. An aggregate function perform calculation of set of values and return a single value. Aggregation function ignore null values. Here we have total. We should add sum of all the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4. Okay, so then equal sum of here we are applying the formula sum of subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 plus subject 4. Enter. So here the sum of all the name student Hanu's subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, all the datas in the total. So once we apply the formula, we can use the drag and fill option. So it will count all the students total. Okay, next. We can also add percentage for this. percentage column, percentage column. So next we will do min and max. So min means highest number, max means lowest total number. So select this, go to auto sum, then select max option. We will get the maximum is 284. This is the maximum total marks. Next, minimum total marks. Then select all the students' total marks and then go to auto sum, then go to min option. So we will get the minimum marks. Okay, now minimum students who get the minimum marks in total. So 158 is the minimum. So this is the explanation about the first program. So this is the blank. We should take blank worksheet. So rows are named with 1 2 3, columns are named with letter A, B, C, D. So first cell is the active cell. So here sheet 1 is the sheet tab. Then click on this tab. We will get the additional sheets. So first we take the data. So student data we are taking name, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 and total. So first step is insertion of rows. So in this insertion of rows we have add some subjects. Here we had the subject 4, then insertion of column. In insertion of column you add the another student named John, then drag and fill. So enter the data up to which cell we want. We can drag drag the data. Here we did next aggregation function. In total we have done the sum, minimum, maximum. Thank you. This is our first program. Thank you.